Hello everybody and welcome back to my Introduction to Bash Scripting video series. In this video we are going to learn how to ask the user for some input. So if you head to your terminal, and again I have the .sh file here. Now again open the file with your favorite text editor and let's go ahead and update the script. Last time we were hard coding the value of the name variable. This time we are going to actually ask the user to input their name. So let's first echo out a question asking the user for their name. Then using the read command, we will be able to record the user input. And after that, we're going to again echo out their name and greet them. If you save that and exit and run the script, as you can see, first we are being asked to enter our name. And if we do so and hit enter, then we're getting the greeting message. Again, if we run the script, and this time let's put another value so you can see that it changes, and again now we're getting hello dev. Okay, and this actually could be a little bit simplified, as at the moment we are using echo to echo out the question. What we could do is use the read command with a -p flag, which allows us to print a message. So we can do read -p, then followed by the question in quotes. Then let's add a space here, and then followed by the name of the variable. If we save that and run the script again, the output is identical. We first being asked the question, then we enter our input, and then we get the greeting. This is pretty much for this video. I'm trying to keep the videos short so that it's easier for you to follow along. In the next video, we're going to do a quick review over how to use bash comments. I hope you enjoyed this so far, and if so, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and I'll see you next.